If you drive an automatic Ford, there are 10 habits you must avoid, because these are the exact things that quietly destroy transmissions, cause early failures, and drain your wallet with $3,000 to $7,000 repair bills. Some of these mistakes are so common that most Ford owners do them daily without realizing the damage. Let's break them down so you never kill your transmission again. Number 1. Shifting from reverse to drive while still moving. This single habit destroys more Ford transmissions than anything else. If you roll even slightly while shifting from reverse to drive, the internal clutch packs take a massive hit. Always come to a complete stop before switching gears. Number 2. Driving with low transmission fluid. Ford automatics, especially the 6-speed and 10-speed units, are extremely sensitive to fluid levels. Even being half a quart low can cause slipping, shuddering, overheating, and long-term damage. If you ever feel hesitation, check fluid levels immediately. Number 3. Ignoring transmission fluid changes. One of the biggest myths is sealed for life. No transmission is sealed for life, not even Ford's. Old fluid turns into sludge and kills the valve body. So, when it comes to changing your transmission fluid, here's what you should keep in mind. For normal driving, it's recommended to change it every 40,000 to 50,000 miles. But if you're towing a lot or driving in hot climates, you should really do it every 25,000 to 30,000 miles. It's just one of those things that's easy to overlook, but super important for keeping your Ford running strong. Now, let's talk about towing more than your Ford is rated for. Ford trucks and SUVs are built to tow, no doubt about it. But honestly, a lot of us end up exceeding the tow rating without even realizing it. Overloading can overheat the torque converter, and yeah, burn up your transmission, so always double-check your tow rating, tongue weight, and payload capacity before you hitch up. Your transmission's life really depends on it. And here's another one. Launching hard at every green light. Ford transmissions are definitely tough, but doing hard launches all the time just destroys the clutch packs. Fast starts are okay every once in a while, but if you make it a daily habit, you're seriously cutting down your transmission's lifespan. Smooth acceleration is the way to go if you want your vehicle to last longer. Using the wrong transmission fluid, well, that's a mistake you really don't want to make. Fords are extremely picky about fluid type. Using non-licensed alternatives can cause harsh shifts, slipping, and eventual failure. You must use the exact Ford-approved fluid listed in your manual. And if a shop puts in a universal fluid, drain it seriously. Driving with a check engine or transmission light. Yeah, a lot of Ford owners ignore those warnings because the car still drives fine, but modern automatics enter a protective mode when something is wrong. Ignoring it leads to overheating, gear slipping, and catastrophic failure. So, scan the code. Don't guess. Don't wait. Coasting in neutral to save fuel. Some drivers still believe this outdated trick saves gas. In modern cars, it doesn't. And worse, it removes engine braking, strains the transmission pump, and can cause unpredictable shift behavior. Stay in drive. Ford's ECU already manages fuel efficiency, so you really don't have to worry about it. Resting your foot on the brake while accelerating, even just a little bit, sends mixed signals to both the transmission and the torque converter. This, creates heat, wears out those internal components, and can actually cause early failure. It's something you see a lot in city driving. But honestly, it's deadly over time. Ignoring shuddering, hesitation, or rough shifting is a big mistake. Ford transmissions, well, they rarely fail all at once. They usually give you some warning first, like shaking at low speeds, delayed acceleration, sudden jerks, or hard downshifts. These are all early signs that you might have worn fluid, valve body issues, or even damaged clutch packs. Fixing the cause early might only set you back $120, but if you wait, it could cost you $4,000. The truth is pretty simple. Automatic Ford transmissions last a long time when you treat them properly, but they can fail early if they're abused. So, just avoid these 10 mistakes, keep your fluid fresh, and treat the transmission with a little respect, and your Ford will easily run for hundreds of thousands of miles. Hey, if this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more reliability tips, and let me know in the comments, which Ford do you drive, and what problems has it given you? More videos are coming soon, so stay tuned.